Where do billionaires keep their money? Large capitals must be diversified to protect against risks. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. Rich people understand this, so they convert their money into assets with varying degrees of liquidity. Usually, billionaires distribute money in different directions based on the following steps. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Deposit accounts in banks. Trust in the banking system of different countries only decreases with every new year. The reason is the proliferation of cryptocurrencies, electronic wallets, and regular news about arrests of bank accounts. Billionaires have long understood that many banking institutions should not be trusted. For a long time, the reputation of Swiss banks remained inviolable, but in 2023, the reliability of these organizations also shook. For example, one of the largest banks in the country, Credit Suisse, is not the least likely to go bankrupt. 2. Real estate and REITs. Real estate investment objects should be understood not only as residential premises, but also as non-residential ones, street retail, separate buildings for various purposes, special commercial facilities, garages, parking lots, student dormitories, and of course, land plots. Here are some trends as we look at what real estate billionaires invest in the most. Billionaires usually acquire residential buildings and apartments for personal purposes, and not as income-generating properties. The super rich doesn't do the mundane things like buying an apartment in the center of a famous tourist city to rent out. That's middle-class income. To earn money, billionaires more often invest in non-residential facilities, the profitability of which is significantly higher than that of residential real estate, and operating costs are lower. 3. Cash. Good old cash will never lose its appeal because it is the most liquid asset when most of the capital is invested for the long term and is in circulation. Of course, wealthy people carefully choose the format of cash money for storage. This is definitely not dollars, euros, and rubles, which do not keep pace with inflation. 4. Agricultural land. With an increase in the human population, the land on which something can be grown for food, and not just plots where a building can be built, will rise in price. Of course, billionaires will not be personally engaged in farming or raising livestock, but they will invest in an agricultural enterprise because this area is the future. They prefer to buy land plots in developing countries, in South America, Central, Southern, or Eastern Europe, in some African regions. 5. Securities. The financial instruments used by billionaires can be varied. Money market investment funds, short-term bills, treasury bills, stakes in companies, mutual funds, other money equivalents, including popular cryptocurrencies. Clearly, billionaires don't manage their investment portfolios on their own. Such issues are the responsibility of professional brokers. The main thing is that investments in securities should be with a low level of risk, and this is a low yield, and be as liquid as possible. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.